Hi everyone. Today in this video we will study about what is programming paradigms. This is the subject of S7 KTU. What what do you mean by programming paradigms? So programming paradigms means it's a way to classify programming languages based on their features. And the book we following is Programming Language Pragmatics by Michael L. Scott. Programming Language Pragmatics. The author is Michael L. Scott. The full syllabus of KTU is based on this textbook. So before going to subjects, we want to know what is programming paradigms. So it's a way of classifying programming languages based on their features. There are different family of languages. Okay, there are different family of languages. The most common families we know are declarative languages, imperative languages. Right. So declarative languages focus on what the computer to do. It focus on what the computer to do. And it does not state the order in which operations execute. There is no order in how the operations execute. So another family of languages we often hear is imperative languages. And imperative languages focus on how the computer should do it. How the computer should do it. And within the declarative and imperative families, there are several subclasses. We can call as families also, not as paradigms, okay? Another name we can call. So, within the declarative and imperative families, there are functional languages, data flow languages, logic or constraint based languages, then symbolic programming, etc. So, what is meant by this functional language? It is based on a recursive definition of a function. So it is always there is a function will be there will be recursive definition of function will be there in functional model languages. For example, the type of languages include Lisp, Scheme, Haskell, ELLA, ML, APL, Miranda. Those type of languages all come under functional languages. Then there is logic programming languages, and it has a particular style of execution model. In that we are taking inspiration from predicate logic. This logic or constraint based languages is there. So for example, Prolog, that is a logic programming language, and it has a particular style of execution model, and it is coupled to a particular style of syntax is there. Then another type of language is symbolic programming languages, and it has a particular syntax and grammar is there. These are the different families, or we can call as different paradigms of languages. We often hear about imperative and declarative. In that also there is a procedural languages is there. Procedural languages we group code into functions. Example, C, Fortran, Pascal, etc. And then in object-oriented languages is there. In that we group code together with the state the code modifies. Example of object-oriented language is C++, Java, Simula, Smalltalk. So in this subject we are going to learn about different paradigms or families of programming languages. Based on features, these languages are classified. So that is we are going to study in this programming paradigms. This is only an introduction of programming paradigms. So remember this, programming paradigms is a way of classifying programming languages based on their features. There are different family of programming languages or different paradigms of programming languages. The most common programming paradigms that I already told about: imperative, declarative, symbolic, and logic programming, functional programming, data flow programming languages. So we will study in each module different family of programming languages. Hope you understand about programming paradigms. I will come with the next video. Till then, bye.